Welcome to our channel PartsHnC. Today, we'll walk you through replacing a furnace inducer motor, a crucial component that helps vent combustion gases safely. Start by turning off the power and gas supply to your furnace to ensure safety. Next, locate the inducer motor, typically found near the top of the furnace near the vent pipe. Remove the screws and electrical connectors securing the motor to the furnace. Carefully disconnect the motor from the exhaust vent and note the wiring connections, labeling them if necessary for easy reassembly. Take the old motor to a hardware store to ensure you purchase the correct replacement. Once you have the new motor, begin installation by attaching it to the exhaust vent and reconnecting the wiring as per the labels. Secure the motor with screws and reconnect the electrical connectors. Restore the power and gas supply and test the furnace to ensure the new inducer motor is functioning properly. Listen for smooth operation without unusual noises and verify that your furnace is cycling on and off as expected. This process requires basic tools like a screwdriver, pliers, and possibly a socket wrench. If you encounter any issues or feel unsure at any point, don't hesitate to consult a professional HVAC technician. Following these steps not only restores your furnace's efficiency, but also saves you costly service charges. Always prioritize safety and ensure all power is disconnected during the replacement process.